So hello guys again. Today we are going to create a black hole, and I am going to code this with the accretion disk because black holes of course could be easily created if you just draw draw a circle as I do begin fill and then fill this circle because that's so easy to create. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to draw it with the circle, but I'm also going to draw it with the accretion disks as well because I work hard and I put a lot of effort into it. Uh, but black holes can come without accretion disks. Uh, Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But if you are a very lazy person who doesn't want to put the effort in, so this requires trigonometry. So this requires trigonometry and secondary school stuff. And black hole dot equals turtle dot pen. Turtle dot screen dot bg color 000.25. Uh, that's it. Black hole dot color white. White. Black hole dot speed 0. So for I actually forgot. I'm gonna check here. For iron range 100. Actually no. 630. So depth oval ABR 630. X equals A times R times math dot cosine I divided by 100. Y equals A times R times math dot sine I divided by 100. Black hole dot go to XY. Black hole dot up. Black hole dot down. Bruh. Black hole. Wait, no, not black hole. Turtle dot done. Yo, now let's do oval A turtle no actually black hole dot begin fill. Actually nah. Black hole dot fill color black. Black hole dot begin fill. Black hole dot actually no. Oval. Oval 100. Black hole not down, but end fill. Slower than ever. Well, unfortunately, my code is going to say there you go. You have a black hole, so that's the end of this video. Just kidding. We're far away from the end of this video, so 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 we've got a black hole, but where's this accretion disk? We are actually very far away from the end of this video, so we will need to draw its accretion disk. So we need to do it 120. Black hole dot width 5. Nah, not 5. That's too bad. 10. Now let's try. What do you mean 10? 20. Nice and large, nice and bold. Yep, bold enough. And there, you have a black hole again. Now we're far away. the high turtle because but in the last one it's not it wasn't it isn't high turtle because we're actually very far away from the end. So you need to so you need to focus basically. For I range 21 because it's a nice number. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna be off topic. So for iron range 21, black oval 1 1 random random. We need to import random. So we're really far away. So we were really far away from the end. Randint. Uh, actually, wait, no. 100 and 110 plus random dot randint. Let's look at the last one. 120 actually. And 40 plus random 50 plus random dot randint. Uh, random dot zero. Actually, what was the last one? 100. 50. Black hole dot color random dot choice. White aqua turquoise aqua turquoise dark blue I think. White aqua turquoise blue dark blue. And this will take very long to draw. And it will take increasingly long. So this time, oh, there's a bug here. Because black hole dot width random dot random 110 actually 5. Wait, what was the last one? 5. Yep. So as I was saying, so did you know that a black hole actually has infinite gravity, and it's a covered as a when you try to see behind it, it appears that it's being folded up because it's warped. And also, did you know that if you try to fall into it, assuming that you just free fall into it, so that means without slowing down in any part of that fall, you will see the black hole getting you will weirdly see the black hole getting smaller. Uh, you'll see the black hole getting smaller until after. Uh, actually, I shouldn't talk about that stuff. Because I might because I'm scared of because I'm scared of being because I'm scared of being doing because I'm scared of being because I'm scared of being reported for misinforming. Uh, but basically, it also has but basically it produces a loss of light, and if you just look at it without a visor or anything to prevent it, you will just be blinded if you don't have a spacesuit, and you could also be burnt alive by the accretion disk, because it's made of stuff. Made of plasma, which was stars that the black hole has engulfed. So now it's drawing the accretion disk uh, from the above view. Actually, it can be a side view as well, because because it's like that in any view, because light is being distorted, because light's being distorted, and it could go from anywhere, and that's what happens. So Let's wait for it until finish. And mm, it bends light extremely as well. And also, if you go towards it, an outside observer would think that you're doing it in so that you're with time. So that you are as outside observer will just see you freeze, not just fall very rapidly into the hole. But what was it with it? Yep. Also, 1 1 200 plus random dot random. Aha. 100. So that's why. So so we have much more next steps. So so we're gonna abort this. Uh, we're going to do more code for IA range 21. Actually, why are we typing this again? We could just copy and paste. Mm-hmm. 1 0.3 uh 400 plus random dot random. Wow, so 400 plus random dot random uh minus 100 100 true. uh a gap equals false basically. uh because if gap if gap 10 dot up, and then as nah but I don't want to do that. I don't want it to look like this again. So if gap uh 10 dot up. So basically, if it's a quarter of a way there, actually let's just copy this. Nah, I won't. If gap if I is bigger than ra nah. In fact, to make it a bit more natural, let's just uh let's just do it this way then. So make it a bit more natural. We're going to do some complex coding. Mm, so gap equals if gap. So if gap if random if random dot choice true false up 10 dot up. Actually, let's delete this. Pen. No, not pen, but black hole dot up. Else pen dot no black hole dot down. For goodness sake. I might even change my avatar style to this, but I don't want to. This is looking nice. 11. So I have to do it only half of a way. So we'll just do def half oval. Now let's just copy and paste it. Basically, Control C, Control V, half oval. If for iron range 630. No, actually, it would appear bad. How I know. Let's delete this. So for iron range, parts equals 630. Parts equals 630. So let's do it this way. Actually, wait, what? No. I can try to do this. -1. I'll probably use a lot of random. Gap equals false. True. True. Actually, what? Like, if we're going to put true for all of them, why do we even go to bother? So, if true, that's the silliest thing I've heard in the world. So let's delete this. Is a black hole done? Well, yes, it's done. So it means that we've finished the first step. So it's looking good. Actually, nah. We need the width to be 10. So where's the width? Width, 10. 10. And now I've been recording for quite long. So we need to do some stuff. Actually, as in actually. So 1, -1, true. Don't need this. Random.randit. Uh 630, 350, 630. 315630. Now, now actually, over 120. Actually, that. If gap true, true, false. So, oh gosh. Aha. So gap is by default true. So, oh gosh. ABR, ABR, 630. Oh no. Actually, wait, yes. That's what. Really? Wait, what's happening? Because actually. Ugh. because it won't turn white. Uh, black hole dot fill color, black hole dot pen color. That should work. Does it? Oh, because pen is up. Uh, if not gap, pen gap. If not gap, black hole dot. Now it should work because the pen was up the whole time. That was such a surprise. That's done. But there's a fin here. Why? Like, why? Mm. So, uh, so up. Actually, this should go here. That's why. Now I've fixed the problem. No, not here, but this sublime text thing. Like, bro, why does it always begin? Yeah, really, I don't want it to begin there. I want it to begin somewhere random. Here. Goodness, bro. I don't like it. Random. I don't want it. Really, 315. Aha! I found. No, 400. Nah. What's 350 half? 157. 4647 472. 472. So 472. Uh, that's actually a bad. That actually looks quite bad. So we're gonna shut it down. 315. 157472. Actually, 200. GB. 400. 630. Uh, no, actually, 330. 360. Nah, 358. 358. So let's shush them. So 358. And now, how to make it begin at different parts. Math.cosine 100. For IO range. I know how to do this. So I want to do this. So go to for not x equals dot int minus 100 100. So x 630. Not sure if it will work. X plus 630 Try again. Uh, so yeah, that doesn't matter. So so now it's beginning at different parts. So that's more like it. But I don't really like this, man. Wait, what does it used to be? Oh, X plus parts. Aha. Now this is what's going on. Now the bugs should all be fixed and the bugs have been defeated. And now we should have a and now we can enjoy our reward and have a nice black hole. Actually, why do I have a gap here? Nah, I'm gonna abolish this because that was a failure. Uh, bl- black hole up down. So 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 the failure has been delete this. So the failure has been abolished, and now we can enjoy a nice black hole for the end of this video. So I've worked hard for this. So it should all hide out. And now, actually the variation might be too big. So 200, 400. It can just go 372, 458. Now now nothing should go wrong according to my calculations. Wait, something will go wrong because I've only done 11, and then that will happen. Wait, no, something is due to go wrong. So why is it going clockwise? I'm not sure why. So still go clockwise, or just make it go anti-clockwise. So now it's going anti-clockwise. And then so yeah, we're going to have to copy this. No, we don't need this. Now you can enjoy. Is that a coincidence? You think that was a coincidence, but strange. But should we care? Doesn't even matter, doesn't it? Does it? Doesn't actually, man. Will it? Nah, it's gonna be blocked out. Uh, I think it will. I think it will succeed. Mm. So now it's purely random. So yep, that's a black hole that I wanted. Oh no. Disaster. Disaster. Wait, what? Haven't planned for this. Disaster, disaster, disaster. Now, sorry for wasting your time, but it looks like I've got a disaster here. So we need to fix it right now, or else we will not have a. Aha! There's a disaster. B times R. That's what's happening. So now it should work. So now I fixed. So now I fixed the problem. So now it's going anti-clockwise as it should be. So now we can sit back and relax and enjoy the final views. So so do do black holes actually do. Oh gosh. No, 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 I can't let this happen. 100, 272. Uh, the 150, 250, 250, 150. Actually, 400, 400. Uh, look, it's going to be so slow. It's going to be boring. Wait. Hmm? Nothing now. Oh, nice trick. Doesn't usually happen. 315. 200 so that it appears more filled. Now it should all work. Sorry for about all the parameter editing. It might be actually be excessive now. So we'll enjoy this view for this. Oh, I don't want to be doing this all day, man. So so we could just talk about how black holes have almost of, of has an infinite density. So for one of these stellar mass black holes, uh, I'm drawing a supermassive black hole. So they are at the center of galaxies. Uh, and one of them is Sagittarius A star, the galaxy, the center of a supermassive black hole in our Milky Way. And here is the accretion disk is being drawn. Here the accretion disk has been drawn. And and this accretion disk looks nice. The accretion disk has been drawn, and now the accretion disk has been drawn. A black holes actually, a black holes don't have a spherical accretion disk, but it looks flat. Uh, I don't. I'm not really sure what black hole I'm drawing. I'm drawing. Uh, this could be a stellar mass black hole or a supermassive black hole. Because a supermassive black hole can be millions of times millions of times heavier than us. The mass could be millions of times the mass of our sun. Mm, and if you try to go into a small black hole, you'd be spaghettified way before you go its its event horizon. Uh, but for supermassive black holes, you could go for quite a bit until you get spaghettified. But look, it's been drawn. That's a nice view. I've been putting lots of hard work into it, and it finally paid off after years. Maybe not years, but uh, okay. This doesn't look realistic at all. But who cares? Like, man, who cares? It's got rings. Could even draw Saturn instead. Actually, quite boring to wait here. But I'll tell you more about black holes. Uh, so actually, the space time moves in them. So the space time moves in it. So the space time moves as so fast. So the fabric moves so fast into the black hole that it moves it moves that it pulls objects in faster than light, and then and then and then because it pulls in faster than light, then it looks then light can't even escape it. No, but they form when huge stars collapse. Well, our current sun is not big enough to create a black hole, but when huge stars collapse, so they get very squeezed, and then eventually, when they get squeezed, if they are squeezed enough, they become a black hole. Because 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 under this intense, gosh, I've made a bug. Got a bug here. Turned out I've wasted this for nothing. Uh, Now the bug's here. So sorry about that waste of time. Uh, but mm, it looks like we've got a cool black hole here. Uh, uh, Quicker, faster. I'm not waiting here. Come on. It's going to take at least 4 minutes to do so. Okay. It- mm, mm, yeah. So if you orbit is a spaceship. So if you just go close to it, if you just go close to it, and if you go close to the black hole, then you will probably see that not sure. Go close. Go close. If you go close enough, you will go to the photon sphere, which is 1.5 times which is 1.5 times the Schwarzschild radius or the event horizon away from a black hole. If I'm not providing misinformation here, but but we are here to draw it, not to talk about it. But I'll talk about it if you want it to know about it, as this draws because it's very slow, and I could play lots of chess games instead of having this I could play lots of chess games instead of talking about black holes. But because they're off topic, I won't. Hmm. Looks like it's going to be a success. And I hope that it'll go like this. And it looks like it's going quite well. Hmm. And looks like I've got lots of stuff to do. Quick. I don't have all day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rins, 9. Actually, 10, 11, 12. If I'm not miscounting. Come on. I don't want to fall asleep. Actually. Oh well. But if you just stand there, you, you'll see that this side would look brighter than this side because the lights because here the lights coming at you. The lights moving away, which is a which I think is called a Doppler effect. Uh, because here it goes to you faster as it's more stacked up, and also, gosh, I'm waiting. Don't have all day to wait. As I talk, it's going to be the end of the video soon. I want to put on music, actually. Please be faster, 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 faster. You could. Yeah. Well, no use trying to get it to go faster, but it's very strange that it still, but this still covers here. Mm, because this should be behind. Actually, it should be warped behind here. Actually, all of it. So, but I can't get the program to do that. So I'm afraid I can't do it. So looks like I'm gonna have to deal with it. But if you want to try to make it that way, you can. Finally, we're up to these parts, and there's no bugs happening, which is good. Oh gosh. And there we go. We've done the black hole. Although not as good as I hoped it would be, but yes, quite good. So that's the end of this video. We still have 46 subscribers. Uh, let's make it 47, please. Yeah, please. Good game. Why am I saying good game? But please subscribe and like and share. And that's it. Bye. Subscribe.